Hello everyone, now we are going to install Geant4 on this machine. So first of all we'll download the source code libraries of CLHEP from this link and the Geant4 from this link, and then we are going to install all the required libraries using Synaptic. These are the name of the libraries that we need for Geant4. Then we'll do the CLHEP installation, and then do the environment variable setting, and finally we'll start with the installation of Geant4, and that's it. Let's get started. So first let's download uh, the source files. Now we just go to the CLHEP website, and we go here to the latest version of the source, and then we can directly download it from here. I already have this in this source file downloaded, so I'm not going to save it. You can save it. Then we download the source code for Geant4. So you can download it from here. The Linux for tar format, it's all same for all the Linux machines. You can save it. I already have it, so let's close it. Now we have downloaded source code of CLHEP and Geant4, so let's take them out. New folder, CLHEP, and we place CLHEP in this folder and extract it. Similarly we do for Geant4. Extract it here. Now let's first install Synaptic, and then we'll install these uh, libraries. Synaptic is already installed in this system, so we don't need to do anything, but you can download it like this. Now let's open Synaptic and install the libraries one by one. Now let's copy paste the name of the libraries, and it's already there, but we can mark for reinstallation, but you can just mark for installation. Similarly you can do for G++. You can go for mark installation. As I said, I'm doing reinstallation just to show you how to do it. You can ignore it if you don't find the files like this. It's possible that I have already installed, or the package has been updated by the Linux machine version. So let's go for automate one. It's not here. Actually, all of them are already installed in this machine, and I'm just trying to reinstall them for you just to show how to do it. So similarly you can do for TK, and similarly you can do for all other things. All the libraries are mentioned here. You just need to install them in your system, and then once you apply for installation you can do the apply, and that's it. It will install all of the libraries required. And let's close it. That's it. This is how you can make install your required libraries for Geant4. Then we are going to first make a build directory, and inside the build directory we are going to run this CMEG command. Here is where we want to install our uh, installation library, and where is our CLHEP available. So we want this path to be like this, so let's do so let's add this also. So this will put our install directory within this. This will be the path for our installation directory, and later we can use it similarly here, like CLHEP, then the name of the other directory and the install directory. So let's go to cd CLHEP. Okay, so now we are in CLHEP library and it's empty. So now we can just copy and paste this command. I don't know why. Yes, so it will just compile all the source files and write it in the build directory. And now we can do the sudo make j2. I'm doing make j2. You can do j4, j6 based on the number of cores you have on your system. It will take a while, and will return when it's finished. Now you can see that the make command has finished. So now we can test our make, and after that we can install, and it will result in formation or generation of a directory named as make in CLHEP install, where we'll see in a moment once this finishes. So this is CLHEP. We made a build directory, and we expect CLHEP make install directory. After make install, the directory of install will be here. So the test has passed. So install. So now, as you can see, the install directory is here. So the installation of CLHEP is complete. Now all we have to do is set the environment variable. So let's go to nano.bash rc. Nano is just a text editor. You can use any other editor, and then just I already created a space for CLHEP environment variable, so we can check like the directory of CLHEP is home expert, and then CLHEP, and then the 2.4 and this, and then is the install directory. So the path is correct, so all we have to do is copy and paste this in the here. So yes, now we have pasted it. So all we have to set it and we are done. Let's remove the spaces. Save and exit. So now CLHEP is installed. So now we are going to install the Geant4 directory, and we are similar to previous command. We are going to run this on our build directory for Geant4. So let's get started. So let's first open the terminal, cd Geant4. So we have this Geant4 source code here. So we'll make a directory named as Geant4 build. So it's there, and cd Geant4 build. So we are here and there is nothing. So now we have to copy it and paste it here. Just keep in mind that this is the path where we are going to create our installation directory, and these are the paths of the include directory and install directory of CLHEP. So keep in mind and provide the right paths for them. That is the most important and critical, the part where gets wrong all the time. So take care of it and rest all will be fine. So we have pasted it, and as you can see, it will compile all the code, and some things will pass and some things will fail, but don't worry, it's fine. And now we are going to do sudo make j2. I'm doing j2. You can do as many depending on the codes you have, and password, and it will take around 1 hour. So we'll return after it finishes, and then we'll see about it. Well guys, it is about to finish, and once it finishes, then we'll apply the make install command and set the environment variables for Geant4, and then we'll try to run an example. So basically we'll try to run, and let's see how it goes, and that will finish our installation of Geant4, and you are ready to do the simulations and write your own applications with Geant4 after that. So it finished. Let's do the make install command. So you can see it is writing all the files in the make install Geant4 install folder. It will be created next to Geant4 build, and then we'll set the environment variables, and that's it. Well guys, it's finished. Let's see if this install folder is there or not. So you can see there is we created a Geant4 build folder, and Geant4 install folder is automatically created, and it already includes this file. If you want to see, I can show you. So it's Geant4 install cd Geant4 install bin, and if you see here, here is the Geant4 sh file. That's what we are referring to. It includes information about the data files and other environment variables. it is written automatically by while installation, so I can show you the contents of it. So you can see it basically includes the information, or these are basically the environment variables for data files, so they are automatically written by Geant4. So we'll just write an environment variable to this file, and that will finish our installation of Geant4. Again, nano.bash rc file. So we'll go down and we'll first copy this and paste this file. So this is done, and now we'll save it and exit it. Now let's start a new terminal to see if the examples are running and working fine or not. Geant4 Geant.examples. Let's go to the basics, B1, and these are the file contents of the basic B1 example. So now we'll make a directory. This is the commands that we use to compile the source code of an application in the build directory. It will compile the code, and then we'll be able to try to run the example. Maybe we'll not be able to see the graphics in this machine because it is having low memory, but we'll give it a try and let's see. So let's see in the build directory. In build directory we have the example executable file, and when we run it, it will show the graphical user interface. So it's running, and you can see the geometry is here of the file, and you can run the exam things here. Let's see if we can try to run. No, it's because it's too heavy for this machine, that's why we will not be able to run it here. Let's try to run anything else. So basically it is runs only one. So let's try to run this run1.mec. So run 1.mec. So you can see it is running, and the run finishes with the one particle. We shoot one particle and there was no deposition of those. So this shows that our installation for Geant4 is complete. I hope you will be able to follow these instructions and install Geant4 on your machine by yourself. Thank you.